Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it is March 17th, 2020. It is St. Patrick's Day. Anyways, I got a package from one of the guys over at exoticnudes.com. If you go to exoticnudes.com, and you can use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a... Oh no, wait. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider 15 for 15% off your purchase. But anyways, one of the dudes over there, a guy named Daniel, sent me a couple of these. And thank you. And it says it's a... what is the dealio? The brand is Daisho, and it's rich soy sauce, tonkotsu flavor, and vegetarian ramen, which contains no meat ingredients, including in the flavoring soup. Non-fried noodles. Yeah. So, let's do it. I'll tell you one thing right now. By the time I'm done with this sucker, there will be non-vegetarian ingredients in it. That's kind of how I roll. What we got in here? There's a big thing of powder. So here is our little noodle bundle. And this goes in for 2.5 minutes. Come on, cook down a little. There you go. 2.5 minutes. So, still got all the craziness going on in the world. I'm really close to, as far as regarding the insane craziness going on in the world, just not talking about it anymore. You know, if I was an old guy and I had a little woodshed up in the mountains, I wouldn't even know about it anyways. And it wouldn't really probably affect me unless I saw some crazy person that was hiking way back in the woods that was sick. So, unless I caught it from like a coyote. I don't know. But, yeah, it just seems like there's enough people talking about it right now that it's not necessary for me to add to it. You might go like, well, wait, dude, you talk about politics all the time. Well, I do. And sometimes I even spill noodle broth on the stove. Yeah. It's been one of those weeks, and it's only, what, isn't it only Monday? Or is it Tuesday? It's Tuesday. Yesterday I was all set up to do a review, and I started, and it went right downhill. And it wasn't my fault, and it wasn't the product's fault, really, but it just didn't work out so well. So, what can you do? I know what I can do. I can peel a couple tickets. But yeah, well, that's hard. It's hard not to talk about the craziness in the world today. But yeah, it's kind of like all that craziness just like all of a sudden body slammed everything and everyone. But I don't know. It wasn't so cold this morning. I went out walking so I could get Pokeballs. Yeah, I play that insipid game. But, quite a bit of traffic. It seemed like people were hiding out. But lately, it's just been like 50 cents off a Coke. But it's been kind of crazy lately because I'm used to having like a little bit of mellow time. You know, 'cause he goes to school, but school's shuttered right now. So I'm like, it's just a lot. Go have a seat, buddy. Papa's talking to the invisible people. But it seems like everybody wants this and that and the other thing. I don't have any time. It's hard for me to actually get reviews done at all. Which really, really sucks. I've got so much crap going on right now. Like, I need a break. But the only thing I would do with a break is get more stuff done. I need a break so I can work. Because I really like what I do here with the noodle stuff. And let me try these noodles, actually. The shoyu tonkotsu. There we are. Try this broth out. Milky. It's almost like a creamy chicken. I'm not getting the total. It's good, but it doesn't make me go, oh. I'll have to mull that one over. I like it though. I mean, I would eat all of that. Went to 99 Ranch yesterday and got me some fresh mung bean sprouts. That's right, Miles. It's important. With all the craziness going on in the world today, my main thing that I'm worried about is my ability to source mung bean sprouts. Because if that goes away, that's when I like lose my cool. Even if I'm not able to do reviews in the week, it's like I have to have them on hand because I really want to be doing reviews. But yeah. Here we go. Egg. These are spoon. Eggula. Came out pretty good. And I actually made it to the store that sells chashu. Important thing to be able to do. And here's my first one I'm using. I cut up this Naruto and I got these little baggies that kind of almost have like a perfumed scent, which isn't something I'm stoked. What are you doing? Oh, I'm watching you like a hot kid. You seem to be doing what you ought be doing. There's a little slice of Naruto. Mackie. Here's some spring onion. I think I want this to kind of go this way. That. Definitely want some of the love sludge. Oh, that's way too much. How about right there? Seeds. Oh yeah. This is a new addition. Kizami Nori. Let's open this thing up without any spilling out. I've never played with this before. We'll give that a try and see how that looks. But it's just thin sliced seaweed. But it looks pretty neat. Alright. Time for a little time with Rotato to mellow and chill. Well, cool. Thanks to Daniel over at Exotic Nudes for shooting these over. Good stuff. Yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson. Noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings, the tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stokes Manevers.